everybody, it's Miss Alana here, working hard every day, getting smarter and smarter, just like you. We are working on today's math assignment. You should have this sheet right here. It is your assignment for the week, today is Wednesday, October 10th through the 13th, 2017. This is math level 1. Some of you all might have level 1, level 2. If you're ready and done with all that, then you'll get level 3. So do your best with that. Raise your hand if you just worked your best on that. All right, check out the other video I just posted. It was about reading and writing decimals. Bam, right there. All right, now I'm going to look at this last part of your problem, of your paper, problem solving. Don't forget, cut these out, put them in your notebook. Not cut. You could just glue this whole thing in your notebook or cut them out and then put them in your notebook. All right, right here. Problem solving. All right, now, before we begin, well, no, I guess let me read the directions. It says, write and solve the following word problems in your notebook using the Cubes clues. Raise your hand if you know about Cubes clues. Maybe you watched some of the videos I posted last year. Raise your hand if you are a subscriber from last year, woo woo, and you watched the videos to be ready. Raise your hand if you are not in my class, but you want to get smarter than the kids in my class, so you watch the videos. Shout out to you all. So Cubes Clues is a way that I've shown the kids, and I'm going to show you how to help you solve word problems, okay? Cubes Clues right here, problem solving using Cubes Clues. Now, I call them Cubes Clues because you're going to take each letter. This is a mnemonic, which is like a shortcut. It has like the first letter. You have a word, and then you come up with stuff for each word, okay? To help you remember. So when you say the word cubes, you know what to do. What is this on the ground? There's like something sticky on the ground. All right. C stands for, well, there's cubes, C-U-B-E-S. Go ahead and write this in your notebook. Take these notes down. So C stands for circle the numbers. What is this? There's like something poking the paper. U stands for underline the key words. B stands for box the question. E stands for eliminate unnecessary information. And S stands for solve and check work. So these are the steps that I want you to follow every time I give you a word problem, okay? Oh, yes, you need to do that every time because if not, I'm going to make you do it anyway. All right, so are you good? Did you write that down? If not, write it down now. Now, this helps you break down the problem, break it down, and helps you think about it, and then it helps you solve it, and it helps you get it right every time. All right, so looking at your sheet right here, the first problem says, fill in your name. What's your name? Write that down. All right, so for example, if I was going to do this, so write these problems down in your notebook, okay? So I might write, Miss Lalana bought a book for $8. Let me show it to you. Bought a book for $8.49 and a magazine for $6.89. What is the total cost of the items? Now, to do the Cubes Clues, you need to have this written down. So go ahead and write that in your notebook. And then we're going to do each step, all right? Now, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to show you my notebook probably tomorrow when I did it, but go ahead and do that. So, for example, the first one, see where it says circle the numbers. Where are the numbers that you see for number 1? Okay, don't circle number 1. Where are the numbers? The $8.49, $6.89. Those are all the numbers I see. And the next step, we're going to follow the U step, which is to underline the key words. So in that problem, when you wrote it down in your notebook, underline some key words. Can you find some key words for me? Okay, I would underline... Okay, if you want to underline your name, because you are important, go ahead and do that. I would underline book, because the $8.49 is for the book. And I would underline the word magazine, because that's what that other, was that $6.89 are for. And I would underline the words total cost, because those keywords help you figure out how to solve it. All right, box the question. I like to highlight the question. What's the question? What's the question? What is the total cost of the item? So get a highlighter. You can highlight that, or you can take a box and box that out, because that's going to help you think about like, what operation do I need to do? Do you already know? Raise your hand if you do. F5 for you. All right. E, eliminate unnecessary information. Sometimes when you have word problems, there's like extra information that tries to trick you and confuse you, but you're smarter than that, and you're not going to get tricked by the problem. So make sure that you check and think about it. Is there anything there we need to eliminate? No, because we need all that information. And the last step is to solve and check your work. Now, how would we solve that problem? My fingers are cramping up. All right, you would add, subtract, multiply, or divide. You would add those numbers together. What was your key word? Total. So go ahead and add that. And then once you're done with that, make sure you line up your decimals straight up and down. That means the decimals like line up straight up and down. And that's why we're using our graphing notebook. And how can you check your work? You can do the opposite operation, or you can use the calculator. And so if you use the calculator to check your work, you can write on your paper, I use the calculator to check my work. Okay? All right, so I'm not even going to give you hints for number 2. So go ahead and write number 2 down in your notebook and follow your cubes clues on the paper right here. Follow that, and then you're done. Don't forget at the bottom, complete at least 2 tasks in green for a study ladder. Get that done. If you, let me see. Yeah, so do your study ladder task. Hey, there are people that are trying to beat the people in the number 1 spot. So keep on working on that. Remember, if it locks you out, just click next when you're in the task, and it'll let you just keep going, keep going, keep going. There's a glitch in the system. We figured out the glitch. You all figured out the glitch. So I told you, you're smarter. Get this done. I'll check everything tomorrow. If you get level 2 done, I'll check that too. And let me see what else. Oh, and I have your star math scores. I will have that for you tomorrow as well. Until I see you, I love you all, and keep working hard, and I'll see you then.